من سپیده تکشی هستم. از ایران اومدم و رشته مستر of fine art که همون MFA میشه میخونم. My name is Sepide Takshi. I'm from Iran and I study MFA. First of all, I've heard this university, a special university that emphasizes on art. And then I've explored the website. I found the resume and CV of the teachers and staff. They are really amazing. And I found the course that this university offers. Then I applied. I quickly applied, yeah. Applying for this university, it was really good experience. In UX design, I find it really well because I can apply really well and I can see every requirement that I should meet for the applying. It was really good. It was really easier than other universities that I've heard from my other friends or something like that. Yeah, it was really good for applying. First of all, I should mention that the staff in this university, they are really supportive. They support all of my points. They answer my email every time, and every time that I had a problem, they just solve my problem. They answer me, reply me. It was really good things. And even I mentioned in my process of the interview that this university is really supportive. It's the main reason that I choose this university. Right now I'm living in Hull. It's close to seaside and also it's close to city center. Before I came here, the university, the staff, especially international teams, really helped me to find a good place, good position, and they offer some agencies for finding a flat or accommodation, yeah. There are really a lot of friendly people, really friendly and welcoming atmosphere. It's really important for an international one to arrive to the city or live in a city, different city, that really good behavior, friendly and helpful. It's really good. I love Plymouth, really, I love Plymouth, yeah. There are a lot of beautiful places in Plymouth like Royal William Yards, like City Center, Seaside Lighthouse, Stone House. In terms of as an art students, the Box, Cars Gallery, there are a lot of beautiful places and amazing places for exploring, for visiting, yeah. I'm full-time MFA student. It's really amazing. I can find a word for describing it because first of all, MFA makes me to have contemplation, to understand the contemporary art better than before. In my project in MFA, I working with digital installations, and it's my first experience in working with digital. And it's really amazing that you can find other ways to find the meaning of and concept of the contemporary art. There are a lot of facilities, good facilities really here. A lot of workshop, a lot of workspace, a lot of studio, especially for postgraduate students. There are Studio 44. It means that every student has separate studio for working, easy access to the library and the staff, booking some workshop on a smart hub, and also we can book some places in other studio like ceramics, glass, and Fab Lab. Fab Lab is really interesting. Yeah, because it's related to digital and I really like it, yeah. First of all, I get this advice that just apply for this university because I'm sure that, I bet that they are enjoy this university in terms of its facilities, their teachers, their staff, and their workshop, having new experience with using different materials under supervision of the really best staff. It's really amazing. I bet that they are enjoy from each moment that they spend in this university. Yeah, and every time that, especially for international students, every time that they need some helps or they need some further information, they just can ask, and I'm sure that they can get the answer really quickly. It's really important.